This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on limit interactions on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram allows users to limit unwanted messages and comments from accounts. Similar to the restriction feature, the limit option enables users to manage harassment from groups instead of individuals. Instagram states that switching on limit does not affect account reach in feed and explore. So first of all, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can scroll down until you find option Limited Interactions. Here's the option. You can tap on that. Limit unwanted interactions. If you feel like you're being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Limiting is similar to restricting but helps you manage harassment from groups instead of individuals. You can tap on Continue. Now you can activate settings, custom the settings. Who to limit. Accounts that aren't following you. This account may be spam or fake or may have been created to harass you. You can activate the toggle. If the toggle is unactivated, you can activate by tapping on the toggle. Recent followers. Your recent followers. This account started following you in the last week. You can activate the toggle. And you can choose the limit. If you want to, you can custom the limit. You can custom until 4 weeks or only 1 day. I will choose for 4 weeks. Now you can set reminder, tap on set reminder. Instagram will remind you to turn this off after the time you choose. So after 4 weeks, Instagram will remind you to turn off the settings. Now, you can tap on turn on. Now the limit interactions is activated. Limit comments and message will be hidden unless the user approves them. The social media app also recommends group of accounts that could be limited. So that is how to turn on limit interactions on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!